Hey everybody, this is Ivy with Ivy Inspires. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys had a great Christmas and an even better New Year. Before I take all of the Christmas decor down, I thought that I would give you guys a slightly late holiday tour. Let's get into it.
So this year I mainly decorated our family room kitchen. It's like an open space. This is where we spend most of our time. I chose colors that complemented the room and the colors that I already had going on in there. But in such a small space, I really did go all out. So I'll take you through each part and just kind of show you guys what I came up with. So in the family room, I brought in the rich teal color that I already have there as an accent. And then I added in the soft champagne gold as well as navy blue. So in our sitting area, I didn't do much here other than adding those Christmas trees and the poinsettias. Now, I do have two slim trees on both sides of the fireplace. And again, I went in with the gold, the teal, and the navy. I did decide to extend the Christmas tree all the way down to the floor, and I did that using garland. It's the same garland that I have draped across the mantle. I did layer it just so that I could have a full look, and then I did the same thing on the other tree in terms of extending the tree down to the floor. In this little area, just kind of threw in some holiday themed pillows, nothing major, little reindeer Christmas tree, and of course some fall scented candles. On the bar cart, I did go a little crazy. This tree I actually got from QVC, and I put it there kind of to be funny because it was so big and obnoxious in that on the bar cart in that space. But I actually ended up loving it, and I left it there all season. And then I just added garland, and I just love the way that it came out. Now in the dining room, I knew I wanted to go super glam, so I did gold. It's like a yellow gold as well as silver and pops of white. I brought in my nutcrackers that went with the whole look and feel, as well as my gold, silver, and white reindeers. All in all, I think it came out pretty cute. In terms of the Christmas tree, same color scheme. I thought that it would really go well with the decor that I already have there. I got some really cute poinsettias and stems from Michael's that just kind of brought the whole look together. And of course, you can't go wrong with Christmas ribbon. And I absolutely love my reindeer. I got these from various places, but they go really well in this space also. In the kitchen, I did not do much. I just kind of did this little centerpiece on the island. These are two stands that I already had, and I added our little snow globes there. And the Christmas tree, again, didn't do much on the surfaces. This is the coffee bar area. So I added this cute little tree, and I thought it would be fun to add the actual coffee pods on the tree. And then my angels always make a debut, but this is pretty much it. I really enjoyed the holiday decor this year. Take you guys along as I take all the stuff down because though it's a small space, it's a lot of work. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.